Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how many followers are needed to make money on Instagram. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel here, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. YouTube with 1 million or more can earn up to $50,000 by becoming a partner with a brand. But Instagram, you can make this money with only 100,000 followers promoting different brands. Instagram user can earn up to 5,000 for a post made in partnership with the brand. There are many methods to monetize your Instagram account. If you really want to make a good money with your audience, the quality of your followers matters a lot. So it is possible for you making 50,000 with 100,000 followers, but it is possible that you are making 50,000 with 100,000 followers, but it is also possible that you only make $1,000 with 100,000 followers. So if you want to earn maximum profit from your Instagram, you have to take care of the following these things that I'm gonna tell you. The first, real followers are your pillars. So never ever buy fake followers from website that selling Instagram followers, because they will not engage with your posts. To make money with Instagram, you don't need a quantity of followers, but you need quality. So only try to promote your Instagram account in a way where you can gain real followers. And then the next, engagement rate is king. So engagement rate matters a lot if you're trying to convert our Instagram fan following into cash. If your post getting more engagements, you will get more impression and reach for your post. More impressions equal more clicks and more sales for the product or brand that you are promoting, and more money you will make. To improve your engagement rate, you should interact with your followers by replying their comments, engage with their posts, and share quality content on your page and reply to their messages. The more you build a relation with your fans, the more conversion you will get. And next is niche matters a lot. Did you know that 70% of people rely on social media to make purchase decision, and most of them depends on opinion of influencers. Whether you know it or not, people out there are looking for recommendation to follow, and yours is one of them. If you are passionate and knowledgeable in particular niche, you can make multiple streams of income out of that. You can also promote some brands or products in that particular category. Some of the profitable niche on Instagram are health and fitness, fashion and beauty, travel, make money online, e-business, BSOP or business opportunity, finance, and luxury, and also motivation. Influencers in this niche work with variety of brands, create wide range of content, and have a great success in monetizing their Instagram account. So if you dig deep into this niche and select a unique category in this niche, you can start making some cash with sponsored posts, even with very few followers. More and more brands are working with micro influencers in this specific niche to promote their products. Because they have more engaged to these targeted followers. And next, content is king. Let's talk about the Instagram algorithm. If your reputation is poor and always changing your Instagram account, you will definitely find it more difficult to develop. So, however, it is important to know that the algorithm will not stop you growth. It will not stop your growth. However, it is important to know that the algorithm will not stop your growth. It will only change the way you grow. High quality income content is more important than ever. If we remember the beginning of Instagram, it would be much easier to increase the number of subscribers or followers because, you know, of the inferior pictures at that time and sporadic versions. But now consistency is key. So you need to be able to regularly produce and publish content that appeals and always participate. Once the algorithm determines that, you know, the content you are creating appeal to the audience, you and your article can introduce yourself and your article to the new audience. The second reason why high quality Instagram content is important is that you have another way to monetize your account. The next, consistency is the key to success. Perseverance is one of the most important factors for the success of anything. Think about it. This is not the first time Michael Jordan has entered, you know, the basketball court to become a world-renowned basketball player. For many years, Jordan has practiced, you know, several hours a day to become the best. Perseverance is the key to his success. The same rules apply to Instagram. Consistency, regardless of your contribution time, contribution type, or contribution voice, or all factors, you know, on the page should be consistent. Instagrams allow the precision of its market segments to be so high. These targeted followers are looking for something specific. This means that when creating a page, you must stick to the theme and stay the same. You know, the aesthetic on your website must be consistent. If you start jumping and changing the appearance of your Instagram account, it is actually destroying the relationship with your subscriber. Okay, so let's talk about the opportunity to make money on Instagram. How many followers are needed to make money on Instagram? It is an important question. If you have a highly engaging followers, then there will be opportunities to make money on Instagram. You have multiple options to build your profitable business using Instagram. You can make money through Instagram promoting other brands. You can act as an influencer. There are many influencers network out there. You can join and convert your Instagram audience into cash. Shortcut is one of those influencers network. You can check the link below about Shortcut. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. You can promote some affiliate products related to your niche, to your Instagram audience. If you want to learn affiliate marketing step by step, you can join our free affiliate marketing course right in the description below. You can also launch your own product that match with your audience, and you can use your Instagram account to build your own business and promoting your own product. Okay friends, so I have explained how many followers are needed, you know, to make money on Instagram. Actually, there is no need to have a huge span of followers if you are looking to make money through Instagram. The only thing matter is the quality. So if you have a quality followers, you can start to make money with only even 5,000 followers. But if you don't have a quality audience on your account, it is also possible you're making zero with 100,000 followers. And if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. So if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video, and if you have any question, you can comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you full, and I'll see you in the next video.